I am semicolon.
I am semicolon.
Yes. Yeah. Say it.
Hey, because I'm not the CEO. Hello. Say what?
Have you watched Fast and Furious? If you have, family.
I think it's money. The money motivates me.
Anything that brings self-improvement for me.
Motivation is the fact that I want to make my parents proud. So my dad has like this high expectation of me, like he always sees me as this smart, very intelligent person, and I actually want to live up to that. So that's my motivation.
There was a need for me to learn software engineering skill, majorly because of job. Immediately after my university, I was using my certificate to like kind of get a job and all that, but then it was a very hard adventure.
I've known tech all my life. Like I've wanted to do it all my life.
Pick software engineering because looking at all the skills available now, I needed an high-paying skill because I needed to create a very good life for myself.
Because of money, I have to spend tech money. I have to be a Texas.
The way I approach problems, yes, it has. Because how do I know? I actually got feedback from somebody that I knew before the program. So out of the blue, I just met the person and then we were talking. And I said, guy, what are you doing? He said, I use a computer. I didn't say anything. He said because he liked the way I just see things differently and be like it's not like I told him that I was going for this program or something, but he just like okay. And then I said okay, this is semicolon working.
My mind has broadened. Easily adaptable, or I can adapt to things easier now.
Program has changed me in many ways, but currently one of the ways that is still changing me is my ability to speak to people publicly. I was always shy to speak to people, but currently I'm working on it. And even for me to do this today, it's one of the things the program has done for me.
The change was massive for me. I can't say the same person that walked into this place is the same person living here. Like there was a total change for me. It's not just about the technical change, the skill change, but the mental change as well. So, and the program taught me to be resilient, because I could remember during the program there was a period, Mr. Chibuzo can attest to that. There was a period it was really tough, especially with the arrays and everything. It was really tough for me. At some point, I didn't know how to move, but because of the resilience and the community, the people I had around me, I was able to move forward. So that gave me a mindset like, things could be tough at some point, but you shouldn't just back down. You should keep pressing on, keep moving on.
Semicolon was more like a job. Even when I had my interview with Gabriel for the application, he told me that when I asked him what was the time schedule for the classes, he told me that it's like a 9-to-5 job. And I didn't actually believe that then until I actually was in the program. It was more like you waking up early in the morning to get ready for your job and then going to the job, stay for like 8 hours and come back. Personally, the program was very frustrating. And I'm this person that I don't know how to deal with my emotions. I don't know how to handle my emotions very well. So I literally pour out all my frustration on my family. And sometimes I just detach myself and I'll just stay on my own because of what I was dealing with in the program. But it has also helped me to have like more confidence because sometimes I will learn a new thing. Like maybe I solved a problem, a task that they gave us in class. I wrote the code and it worked. And I'll go and brag to my family that I did this and they'll be happy for me and we'll always have like things to talk about and laugh and be happy for me, stuff like that. So it's actually helped me connect with my family more too.
In the beginning, my mom wasn't actually in support of this because of the fact that the payment, the money, and it was very scary for her. My brother was the only one that actually pushed me on that we can do this and everything. It affected her because for some months, things were not actually, she was not actually in support, something she wasn't in support. You know how our moms are, so she wasn't actually in support of it. And it wasn't easy for me for the first 3 months. And imagine starting Java with stress at home and everything. It wasn't easy. Coming and going back from Ikorodu every day self, that time wasn't actually easy too. And my friends, a lot of them were cut off. Only those that understand the kind of field I got myself into that actually still check up on me from time to time.
The reason why I actually felt motivated to finish the program is because there was no plan B. I don't have any other plan. This software engineering has to work.
I just want to finish it. Not just because I want to finish it. I want to make ends meet out of this thing. and making ends meet out of this thing. I need a better life for myself. Obviously, I don't want to go back to where I'm coming from, because if where I'm coming from is better off where I'm going, I will definitely not be here.
Just willpower. Just accept the fact that we die here. We are here for everything. So
my cohort members, they're amazing set of guys. Like, I know they're watching this right now. Yeah, I know they're watching this right now. They are really, really amazing set of people. We carried each other along. Even probably someone could be getting it and you're not getting it. Yeah, there was this Ubuntu spirit that we all carried along. Even outside semicolon, even out there too, we still had this this family bond, this family spirit we carried out there.
I found a family in my courts. Like, they really helped, like, a lot, like more than they even knew. Because there were times where I really wanted to give up. There was a time I locked myself in the bathroom and I was crying. I was like, why am I different? Like, everybody's at least learning to some extent, but why am I different? And they noticed, because I was very moody, and like I said, I don't know how to handle my emotions very well. So they noticed, and then they asked me, is it because of the program? And I had to like open up to them, and they helped me. Like, Victor was one person that I told, and he was like, every time, see, this is what we do. Like, every time after closing, you stay for like 1 hour, you read anything you don't understand, you come and meet me, I will explain to you, but you have to do this so that you get better, because I don't want to hear anything like giving up. So they really helped. And apart from even like software engineering, like in other aspects, like there was this time my phone got stolen. That was like a very sad day for me. Like, I was coming to school, and on my way to school, I just noticed that my bag was open and my phone was gone. I came to class that day and I was crying my eyes out. Like, it was so painful. Like, all of them just had to console me, and they just had to help me get through the day, because it was very painful. I couldn't even believe that happened to me. And I didn't have any money to go back home, so they like started contributing money for me to go back home. So like, my cohort was very helpful in this journey. Like, I don't think I would have made it through this journey if I didn't have the support of my cohorts.
I can code, yes, but apart from that, I've learned some life skills. But I couldn't communicate well. Like, I always had issues with people. Yes, I still have them, but it's better unlike before.
What I can do now that I couldn't do a year ago is I couldn't write hello world in Java. I couldn't push a code to GitHub. I couldn't build an app from the scratch.
If someone had told me that a year ago I have the power to change a lot of things in the world, I'll feel like a god. So currently, I see myself as somebody that can make impact in different parts of the world, in different ways. And also, during our program, I refer to some of us, or majorly all of us in the class, as gods, because the power that software engineering gives you is the power of a god, somebody that can create and destroy things.
Before I don't used to think like, but now like I have to iterate over some things and read, like, not like I don't think before, but like my thinking process now, it's my thought process rather now that's changed. Hi, I'm Shay.
Solomon.
Precious. Munyulua.
I am Hester.
Edmond.
I am Grace.
I am a software engineer.
I am Semicolon.
I am Miss Clan.
I'm called 17.